I'm gonna show you how to change currency in Phantom Wallet app. So to get started, you have to click on your Phantom Wallet app, and then as you can see, the currency now is in US dollars. To change this, all you have to do is click on the upper left button, and then you'll be redirected to your account. Click on the settings icon right above, and you will be redirected to the next page. Then click preferences, and then select currency. And right here, you can select the currency that you want to choose. So in this case, I'm going to choose Philippine peso. After you selected the desired currency, you can now press back and check the home page to see if the selected currency is now reflected. And that's how you change your currency on Phantom Wallet app.